Good morning students. Yesterday we discussed cloud computing. Today we learn about blockchain technology. It refers to the transparent, trustless, publicly accessible ledger that allow us to securely transfer the ownership of units of values using public key encryption and proof of work methods. This technology uses decentralized census to maintain the network, means not centrally controlled by a bank, corporation or a government. In fact, the larger the network grows and becomes increasingly decentralized, the more secure it becomes. The potential for blockchain technology is not limited to Bitcoin. As such, it has gained a lot of attention in variety of industries including financial services, charities and non-profits, the arts and e-commerce. This is the way how technology works. A transaction is required. This transaction is broadcasted to peer-to-peer network. Then this transaction nodes is broadcasted to peer-to-peer network. Then nodes validates the transaction using algorithm and validates user status. A verified transaction holds in cryptocurrency and user records. This transaction is combined with other transactions to build a block. This new block is added to blockchain permanently and the transaction is finished now. In this way the blockchain technology works. Now artificial intelligence. It is comprised of two words, artificial and intelligence, where artificial means man-made and intelligence means thinking power. Hence, AI means a man-made thinking power. AI exists there where a machine can have human-based skills such as learning, reasoning and solving problems. According to the father of artificial intelligence, John McCarthy, it is the science and engineering of making intelligent machines. The goals of AI: first, to create expert systems; second, to implement human intelligence in machines, creating systems who can understand, think, learn and behave like humans. Applications of AI. AI has been used in various fields such as gaming, natural language processing, expert systems, vision systems, speech recognition, handwriting recognition, intelligent robots, etc. AI is a science and technology based on disciplines such as computer science, biology, psychology, linguistics, mathematics and engineering. Now, what is the difference between a normal programming and AI programming? In normal programming, the input is a sequence of alphanumeric symbols presented and stored as per some given set of previously stipulated rules, which uses a limited set of communication such as keyboard, mouse, disk, etc. In AI, input may be a sight, sound, touch, smell or taste. Sight means one-dimensional symbols such as typed text, two-dimensional objects or three-dimensional scenes. Now processing. In normal programming, processing means manipulation of the stored symbols by a set of previously defined algorithms. And in AI programming, processing includes knowledge representation and pattern matching, search, logic, problem solving and learning. Output. In normal programming, the output is a sequence of alphanumeric symbols may be in a given set of colors that is placed on such as on a monitor or a paper on a magnetic disk. Now in AI programming, output can be in the form of printed language and synthesized speech, manipulation of physical objects or locomotions, that is movement in space. Now what are the advantages of AI? First, high accuracy with less errors. It takes decisions as per experience or information. High speed, highly reliable, can perform the same action multiple times with high accuracy. Useful for risky areas. AI is helpful in situations such as defusing a bomb, exploring the ocean floor, where to employ a human can be risky. Digital assistants such as used by various e-commerce websites to show the products as per customer requirements. Useful as a public utility such as in a self-driving car, which can make a journey safer and hassle-free. Facial recognition for security purpose, natural language processing to communicate with the human in human language, etc. Thank you. This is all about the advantages of AI and AI technology. Thank you.